Quality may be defined as how well, to what degree something fulfills its function. For example, to what degree the actual outcomes meet set aims and objectives. These aims and objectives, of course, need to be both quantitative and qualitative. In the case of youth work, the degree of quality could, in its most basic sense, be related to how well the work carried out meets the core principles. The better it is at meeting the core principles, the more it will contribute to the personal and social development of young people. In a second step, quality is about the functionality of preconditions and work processes. Are they designed in a way that creates the best possible conditions for reaching set aims? Are they adequate and efficient? This Changemakers Kit is created in order to support quality development. In order for it to be qualitative, it will be continuously updated with new information and new examples of good practices and tools. There will never be a final version. The same goes for quality development of local youth work. It needs to be done continuously. Going through and discussing the bullet points can't be done once and for all. An ever-changing society and new generations of young people will ask for continuous revision of how the different requirements of the Charter should be met. Establishing a clear process for continuous discussions on the Charter is therefore a crucial measure for its implementation. Not working with quality development will inevitably lead to stagnation and falling behind. Have a nice process. Go for change.